I'm going to show you how to create a color theme in Adobe Express. I used pre-made Adobe Express templates as the different pages of this project, and they all have different color schemes, and I want them to coordinate. So I'm going to create a color theme from this first page and then apply it to each page after that. And to do so, it's pretty simple. You need to go up here to Theme. And in the beginning, I found this part a little tricky. So you need to create a library if you don't have one. And if you do, you can go into one that you've already created, like this one, and you'll get this little link here that will help you create the color theme. So I'm going to create one from scratch. I'm going to go to plus, and I'm going to call this happy. Whatever, that'll do the trick. And now I can add some colors to happy by just clicking on this link. After you click on the link, it'll open up this create color palette. If it doesn't work, refresh your page, then click theme again, and then you'll get this back and it will open up. For some reason, this color theme section is really glitchy. So I definitely suggest refreshing if you have an issue. Now I can create my palette. So I'm going to add a color. So I'm clicking on that plus sign and then going to my color dropper, and I'm going to select various colors from this image. We'll get all sorts of different ones here. I'm going to go with that one, and then I'm also going to grab a lighter version of that. And since I don't think it's light enough, I'm actually going to just customize it a little, make it lighter. There. I'm also going to add a couple more. You want a lot of variety. It definitely helps. Let's see. I think I want a dark pink. One more. These are pretty close. Yeah, I'll remove that one. Okay, so this will work. I'm going to add. And now I have my happy palette here. It's very similar to this one I did earlier today. But yeah, now I can apply it to my other pages. So I'm going to scroll through onto the different pages, and you can add pages by just clicking this button here, plus page. Obviously I've done that already, so let's get going with happy. So now I'm going to, with this page selected, select the happy palette that I just made, and it'll automatically change the color of everything. Now, right off the bat, I'm not loving the mixture of color here, so you can easily change it by just shuffling, and it will shuffle through different options. This one I like a lot more. We've got light text, we've got a darker background. Shuffle again, and keep going until I find more that I like. I really don't mind some of these, and some of them I'm not loving. That one's good. I like the writing to be dark and then the background to be light. That looks great. So let's go on to our next page. Same thing, select happy. Now it's recolored everything. This is pretty good. I'm liking this, but let's just see what other mixtures look like by shuffling. I'll leave it at that. I like that. So now we have everything coordinated. The same colors are being used throughout. And of course, if you want to change the color of anything at all, you can just click it within the image and you'll see all sorts of options for colors. This one's giving me every option for the little graph tool. And I can change them. So if I wanted to change that, let's change actually monthly sales. I'm going to change that fill to, if I go to swatches, I can get ones from my own page theme here, or happy palette that I just made. Either of these are pretty much the same. And I can change it manually. So if you don't like one thing on there, you can just change the color manually to a different color in your palette, or you can scroll through the different options and see what Adobe Express creates for you. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys. I have a whole playlist on Adobe Express where I troubleshoot different issues and just go through how to utilize things that Adobe Express offers. So please watch that playlist, and also let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I know color themes can be glitchy, so I hope it works out for you, and thank you.